You. Don't hide behind excuses. Don't pretend you're a victim of fate. Look at your life. It's exactly what you allowed it to be. Your failures weren't forced on you. You built them in your mind long before you saw them in your reality. If you're here to be comforted, get out. I'm not here to soothe you. I'm here to rip apart every lie you've used to stay weak. If you're brave enough to listen, I'll show you the formula that will break you out of the prison you built for yourself. Most people want secrets without sacrifice. They want wealth while staying cheap with their effort. I won't sell you that lie. I didn't study the richest men in the world to give you feel-good nonsense. I listened to them, watched them, and extracted the truth they didn't share with the masses. What you're about to hear is the real formula, the mindset that separates those who succeed from those who rot in mediocrity. Don't expect it to be easy. Expect it to be necessary. Principle 1, absolute clarity of purpose. You wander because you refuse to decide. You want too many things in too many directions. That's why you have nothing. Your mind is powerless without purpose. Success is reserved for those who know exactly what they want, when they want it, and why. Write your goal so precisely it can't be misunderstood. Make it your religion. Without clarity, your mind is an open door for fear, doubt, and distraction. Decide or be decided for. Clarity of purpose is the first law of success. Principle 2, ruthless self-belief. Listen to me. You'll never have more than you believe you deserve. If you think you're unworthy of wealth, you'll sabotage every opportunity that comes. Most people coddle their doubts and wonder why they're broke. Stop feeding your fears. Starve them. Build belief so strong it terrifies the small-minded around you. Repeat your goals until they sound like truth. The world doesn't hand out wealth. It yields to those too convinced to quit. Principle 3, unbreakable plan and adaptability. Hoping is for the helpless. I don't care about your dreams if you can't map them. You need a plan with steps, dates, and consequences. Most will never plan because it forces them to face their own laziness. But planning alone isn't enough. When your plan fails, and it will, adapt, reinvent it, refuse to abandon the goal. The weak quit when the first plan breaks. The strong see failure as feedback. They change strategy and attack again. That's how you conquer obstacles instead of being conquered by them. Principle 4, relentless action without permission. You wait. That's your disease. Waiting for permission. Waiting for the right time. Waiting for certainty. Let me tell you, life doesn't reward the hesitant. Success is seized by those who move first, who decide before they're ready, who act while others are debating. Don't ask the world if you're allowed to succeed. Declare it with your action. You don't have to know every step. Just move. Motion beats meditation. Action turns plans into power. Principle 5, mastery of emotional power. Your emotions can build your empire or burn it down. Most people are slaves to fear, anger, jealousy. They react instead of command. I'm telling you to harness emotion as fuel. Make fear push you. Make anger sharpen you. Control your emotional state so it serves your purpose instead of sabotaging it. The greatest men I studied weren't cold. They were masters of their own fire. Emotion properly directed is the energy that makes success inevitable. Don't watch this and lie to yourself that you're ready if you're not. Most will hear these words and do nothing. They'll nod, feel inspired, and wake up tomorrow exactly the same. Don't be most people. Choose one principle today and engrave it into your life. Repeat it. Act on it. Live it until you can't remember being the person who hesitated. This isn't a formula to admire. It's a formula to obey. The price of success is self-mastery. Pay it or accept the life you deserve. Don't admire these words. Adopt them. Don't just hear them. Live them. The world makes way for those who dare to rise. Click the Rise button now to subscribe and claim the destiny waiting for you. Your time is now.